Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with Mailchimp. This integration allows you to automatically send form submissions directly to your Mailchimp email lists, which is incredibly useful for building your subscriber base without manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have both your Jotform and Mailchimp accounts ready, as we'll be connecting them in just a moment. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where you can see all your existing forms, locate the form you want to integrate with Mailchimp, and click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form builder where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're inside the form builder, look at the top of the page and click on the Settings tab. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form, including the integrations we need to set up. Now, in the left sidebar under Settings, click on Integrations. This section houses all the third-party tools and services you can connect to your Jotform, and Mailchimp is one of the most popular ones. In the Integrations area, use the search bar to type in Mailchimp, or you can scroll through the list to find it manually. Either way works perfectly fine. Once you spot the Mailchimp integration icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the integration setup window where the connection process begins. You'll see a button that says Authenticate or Connect Account. Click on it and you'll be redirected to Mailchimp's login page. Enter your Mailchimp credentials here to authorize the connection between the two platforms. This step is essential because it gives Jotform permission to send data to your Mailchimp account. Once you've logged in, you might need to wait a moment while the authentication completes. After authentication, you'll be brought back to Jotform where you'll see a drop-down menu asking you to select your desired Mailchimp audience or list. Choose the list where you want your form submissions to be sent. This is the email list that will receive all the contact information from your forms. Next comes the field mapping process, which is crucial for ensuring your data ends up in the right places. Click on Match Fields or Add Field depending on what you see on your screen. Here, you'll need to drag or select the fields from your Jotform and match them to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. For example, match your form's email field to Mailchimp's email address field. Repeat this process for other fields like name, phone number, or any custom fields you've created. Take your time here to ensure everything lines up correctly. If you want to organize your subscribers further, you can optionally add tags or groups. Look for options labeled tags or interest groups and configure them according to how you want to segment your audience. This is helpful for targeted email campaigns later on. Finally, click Save or Update Integration to activate the connection. Your integration is now live, but it's always a good idea to test it. Submit a test entry through your form and then check your Mailchimp audience to verify that the submission appears correctly with all the mapped information. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform with Mailchimp, and your form submissions will now flow automatically into your email list. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.